Hi, Emily. Hi, Emily. Cheese. What on earth is your sister doing? Say, Mom, she's in my spotlight. Uh-oh, we're falling on the ground. No, 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 no. Oh, it's a sock. Okay, I thought that was you were feeding her the burrito. She can't have burritos yet, sweetheart. You sure are drooling a lot. What are you doing, Emily? Yeah? Is that your sister? What's sister's name? Is that Abby? Abby. Sister. All right. Uh-oh.